how to make a balloon V. These are very easy balloons, these last ones, except for the Z. Okay, so let's make a V. Blow up a balloon, figure where the middle is, squeeze the air out. A V. That's that easy. Just get rid of that. If you want it to be a fancy dancy V, you can always put a pinch twist at the bottom. And now you have a fancy dancy V. I mean, I guess, if you're into that kind of a V. Or you can even put one here and then one on this side. And have it like that. Ooh, that's as fancy as a V will ever come. And then tie this off and cut off the end. And you have your beautiful, beautiful purple V.